YouTube? Today we've got a 10-minute full body HIIT workout. What does that mean? It's a high intensity interval training for 10 minutes. So you've got 5 moves. You'll be doing each move for 50 seconds and you'll be doing a true rest for 10 seconds. This is designed to get your heart rate to come back down within a semi-normal limit so that you can increase your cardiovascular endurance. So you've got 5 moves. A lot of these moves are going to be unilateral, meaning we're going to be working one side for an entire 5 minutes, and the next time we go through the moves, we will be working the other side. So let's start with our left side. I'll go through the movements. Again, we're doing each move 50 seconds, we're resting for 10 seconds. These are gonna go by super fast. There will be a timer on your screen letting you know whether you are in a work phase or a resting phase. So get you some water as I'm going through this. First thing we're gonna do, you can grab whatever weight works for you. We are going to be doing a bicep curl into a side lunge. Coming back up, bicep curl, side lunge. In the side lunge, you really want to sit that booty back, come up, and you're doing a bicep curl. So you're going to notice we're doing lots of compound movements. Next, you've got a deadlift to a burpee push-up. So you'll do a deadlift, hinging that booty back, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings, come up, push forward. You're going to come down, set yourself up for a burpee, kick those legs back, do a push-up, come up and back up to the top, then back into that deadlift. If you need to walk your legs back, that's absolutely fine. If you need to set your knees down to keep good form, keep toes on the floor, come down into the push-up, come back up and go forward. Okay, next move, we've got a static lunge with a side raise. So I'm gonna do this a little bit diagonal. Same leg is gonna be working. So I'm coming back on my right leg. I'm gonna do a lateral raise. I'm gonna come up, same leg, lateral raise. Come up, same leg, lateral raise. Remember, we're working the same leg the entire time. Next, you've got a curtsy lunge to a squat press. So you'll be here, curtsy, come here, squat, coming up to a press. So another big compound movement. Next, you've got some abs. So what we're gonna do is you'll take that weight, you'll put it over your head here to anchor you. You've got 2 reverse crunches and then a weighted sit-up. So come here, crunch, use your abs to pull you in, not momentum. You're gonna come here, you're gonna roll up, and you're gonna do a sit-up. So come down, slow, controlled, knees to your chest, reverse, twice, come back up. And really, when you're at the top, push the bottom of your abs out and that tailbone out as well. Okay, that's it. So you've got 5 moves, 2 rounds. Each round, you're targeting one leg. Here we go, set up. First move, you've got the bicep curl with the side lunge. If you wanna work your biceps a little bit more, go a little bit heavier. I'm gonna grab my 12-pound weights, set my timer. You've got 50 seconds. Here we go. Left leg first, bicep curl. Out to a side lunge, push up, curl. Back to that side lunge, keeping your booty back, chest up, curl. If it's easier for you to transition from here to here with a hammer curl, that's totally fine. Lunge, here, curl, down. 20 seconds. Lunge, push up with that leg, curl, and back down. Do a light lunge, push, there. Probably one more, here we go, 5 seconds. Do one more curl, 2, 1. 10-second rest. Next, you can keep the same weight. You're doing deadlift, burpee to a push-up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Deadlift, hinge. You're hinging back. Push that booty back to the back wall. Up, down, here, push up, back up, jump. Coming back up. Deadlift, push back, feel that stretch, come up, hands hands down. If you need to put your knees down, keep your toes down, push up, and come back up. We're going into that deadlift. Feel the stretch. Push with your hamstrings down to the burpee and push up. Here we go. 10 seconds. Deadlift. Come up. Down. Push up. Back up. Woo. 10-second rest. Next up, you've got the static lunge to a side raise. So I recommend getting a little bit of a lighter weight. Working that same leg. Go back into a reverse lunge. Lateral raise. This is an entire body movement. Woo, my core is tight. My legs are burning. I'm working my arms. Full body movement. As you're doing your lateral raise, make sure you're pulling your shoulders away from your ears. You don't want to be shrugged up. So go back into that lunge. Lateral raise. Here you go. Lateral raise. 15 seconds. My left glute is on fire. We got one more move. Next. Nope, we've got two moves. Sorry. Whew. Okay, 10-second rest. Next, you're going into that curtsy lunge, squat, and press. If you want to go a little bit heavier, that's fine. Here we go. Same leg is working, that left leg. Come here, curtsy lunge, squat, chest up, shoulder press. Here we go. Curtsy lunge into a squat, press up. Even as you press up with your shoulders, keep them away from your ears. Squat, press into your shoulders. 25 seconds. Curtsy lunge, squat, press. I can feel my heart racing. Ooh, we've got abs next. Remember that reverse crunch? This full body workout. 8 seconds. You've got this. Whew. Here we go. 2 and 1. As you're resting, come down to the mat. Don't lay down just yet. Give your heart some time to recover. Now, roll back into that reverse lunge, bringing those knees to your chest, not with momentum, and bringing the weight up over your head. Do it again, repeat. Reverse lunge. We did sit up, whew, squeeze at the top. Squeeze those lower abs at the top to really create that pelvic tilt as you get there. Breathe out at the very top of each movement. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, let it out. Same thing. 2 reverse crunches, slow and controlled. Weighted sit up, slow and controlled. All right, 5 more minutes. You're moving to the other side. So grab those heavier weights. You're doing a bicep curl to a lunge. So bicep curl, side lunge, back up, bicep curl, side lunge, slow and controlled. Whoop, I pushed a little too hard. Bicep curl. You're really sitting back with that booty towards the wall. Chest up as much as you can. Curl. Here we go. 20 seconds. Bicep curl. Ooh. If you're needing some recovery, I've got a 10-minute full body recovery with a foam roller. That would be perfect after this workout. Okay, rest. Now we've got that deadlift to burpee with a push-up. So catch your breath. You're hinging back, keeping your legs straight. Come up, squeeze with those hamstrings. Come down. I'm gonna put my knees down for modification. Toes are down. Press up. You're still doing a deadlift as you come up out of that burpee. So you'll do another deadlift. burpees, burpee, push up, up, and deadlift. Squeezes those hamstrings. And again, knees down. You can alternate between modified and unmodified. You just want to make sure that you have good form. Form trumps quantity and speed. Okay, so there's that. Next move, static lunge with a side raise. So I'm gonna get my lighter weights. Coming to the other side. Right leg is working, left leg goes back, arms go out to the side. If you wanted, you could make this a front raise. Okay, since we already did a side raise, totally up to you. It's your workout. I'm just your guide on your journey. So you can do whatever you feel like. We haven't necessarily hit yet when it comes to full body. Keep that core tight as you bring those weights up so you can protect your lower back there. As you're lunging back, remember, lunge back, straight down. Bring up those arms. You got 4 seconds. Make this one a good one. Gotta rest. Okay. Next, we've got curtsy lunge to a squat press. Still working our right leg, so come to the front of your mat. And you're gonna curtsy, squat, press. If you wanted to make this more advanced, you can hold a weight over your head the entire time. Squat, and then come here and press. Totally up to you. If you needed to modify and do 1 dumbbell, you can do that too. So again, it's your workout. Meet yourself where you're at. Set some goals, have something to look forward to or work towards. And you have no idea how amazing it feels when you get there and you accomplish it. Or next week when you do these workouts and you got so much stronger. And instead of 1 dumbbell, you're using 2. Woo, 10 seconds, okay. All right, last move of the day. You've got those abs. We're doing a reverse pike up with a weighted sit-up. So come here, reverse, reverse, and sit up. Do not use momentum. If you need to modify, come here and here, and then do your sit-up or a crunch if you can't come up all the way. Slowly come back and do your reverse lunge. I like to kind of tap my heels on the floor before I come back into that second pike reverse. Whew. This is our last move of the day. Think about how amazing you feel for just getting in 10 minutes of working out. If you did any of my other 10-minute workouts, then you got a really good workout today. And that's it, guys. If you liked this workout, feel free to hit the subscribe button or follow me on any of my social channels. I give tons of free content and I'm super active on there on my stories as well, giving tons of tips every single day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.